MagnetSelect is an application designed to prepare and isolate cells with nanomagnetic beads from fresh or thawed apheresis products. It works in combination with the Sefia S-2000 instrument, Sefia Select module, and CT 400.1 single-use kit. MagnetSelect application fully automates concentration, washing, bead incubation, magnetic cell isolation, and cell resuspension steps. User-definable parameters give you flexibility to fully configure steps of your process. Initial dilution, pre-incubation, magnetic bead incubation, post-incubation washing, magnetic bead isolation, and final formulation. The first part of pre-incubation step is to concentrate the cells inside the separation chamber. You can perform one or more washing cycles at a low centrifugation speed to enhance platelet depletion. Then the cells are extracted in the processing bag that contains the magnetic nanobeads to be incubated under defined conditions. At the end of the incubation, the cells can be washed to remove unbound beads and are resuspended for the magnetic isolation step. The magnet is activated, and all the cells go through the column. Magnetically labeled cells are retained within the column, whereas unlabeled cells flow through. Then the magnet is disactivated, and the target cells are eluted from the column. Finally, the cells are concentrated and formulated in the resuspension solution. Secure and standardize your process by using Sefia Select system with MagnetSelect application, a closed and automated solution. Contact Cytiva for a MagnetSelect demo.